Still using Linktree? You can make a custom link in bio page, free, in Canva, and it looks way better. In today's video I will show you how to create a custom link in bio page. Step 1. Go to Canva and search bio link website. Pick a template you like. Here you can see Canva offers so many templates. Let's choose this one. Change the text. We can also add a photo. And drop in buttons for your links, YouTube, Instagram, store. You can also add a link that leads to the next page, just like this. Once done, just click Publish as Website. Then choose your domain. Canva gives you a free link. Now you've got a clean, mobile-friendly link page, totally yours, no monthly fees. That's it. Try it out, and follow for more Canva hacks like this. Thanks for watching.